What's up guys, Prayag here from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video, and this time with the unboxing of Sennheiser HD 4.4 BT. Let's get started. So on the box you can see it has a 2-year warranty and a battery life of up to 25 hours. We'll have to check that in the review. And here is the button information: on and off switch, call and back control, and volume control of course. So let's get into the box. This comes out like this and we'll have to cut this. I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna cut that. Why isn't it opening? Okay, so it opened. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so now okay, so on the top you get headphones and folded. Let's see what you get in the box. You get this. Is this stuck here? What? Okay, so here you get the carry pouch. I think it's big enough, and these are the guides in different languages. We don't need that. And okay, so I don't really know a way to open this. Okay, so like this you open this up, yeah. And here are the cables, the charging cable and the connecting cable. So mind well that this is a 1.4 mm headphone jack, not a 3.5 mm like this, so you won't be able to use it anywhere else except the headphones. And here are the headphones. Let's clear this up real quick. Okay, so now let's get into the headphones. Okay, so here are the headphones. They are black color and oh, they really feel premium. The cushion are, so they don't turn around, maybe it's just this much movement on the side. You can fold it though, so that's nice. And you can extend this. That's a thumbs up. The cushion I think are smaller for my ears, but I think they are very comfortable, so there won't be any problem. But stay tuned for the review, and these are very flexible too. And here are the buttons and the charging point and the headphone cable, and here is the mic. Okay, what you also get is NFC, so you can connect directly to Android smartphones through NFC without any Bluetooth procedure. So that's it for the unboxing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss out on the review, and hit the bell icon to not miss out on any of the videos. Like the video if you liked it, and please share if you made it till the end, and stay tuned for more.